Let's check out our RC section here at Samson RC Hobby Shop. We've got a large selection of RC airplanes, parts and supplies. We've got ready to fly, ARFs, foam to balsa, great planes, some of the great discontinued ARFs that people still love to fly, large selection of monocoque, Hot Wheel Vehicle Center, props over there. Even have some gas globes and memorabilia. More great ARFs back on this wall. Over here we have a large spinner selection. Also have threaded rods. Fuel tubing and accessories, model rockets, rubber band airplanes and foam gliders, field boxes, more supplies down here. This wall is full of wheels, landing gear, cowlings, all the bolts, nuts, and screw sets you need to assemble your airplane. Bright colored trim sheets to make your plane stand out at the field. Even have a running model train layout in the store here. Over here we have nitro fuel, Red Cat racing vehicles, Horizon hobby vehicles, some excavators, motorcycles, more vehicles down this aisle as well. Traxxas, vehicle display here, airplanes hanging from the ceiling all around. Come visit our hobby shop in Marshall, Missouri.